Hello student, welcome in my YouTube channel Science Classes. Today we study the class 12th chapter Solid State, topic calculation involving unit cell dimension. Calculation involving unit cell dimension. First we know that the density equal to mass upon volume. So the density of unit cell is given by the mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. This is considered as equation number 1. Here volume of unit cell given by the cube of the edge length or AQ centimeter cube. Mass of unit cell is given by the number of constituent particle into mass of one constituent particle. Number of constituent particle is given by the Z. Mass of one constituent particle is given by the molar mass or molecular mass upon Avogadro number. This formula obtained from the mole concept. In class 11, from the mole concept of class 11th, we know that the mass of one atom or molecule is equal to the molar mass or molecular mass of the atom or molecule upon Avogadro number. So mass of 1 Cp equal to molecular mass upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is the Avogadro number. Then mass of unit cell is equal to the Z into M upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Or Z into M upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is the equation number 2. Volume of unit cell is equation number 2 and mass of unit cell is equation number 3. Put the value of volume of unit cell from equation 2 and mass of unit cell from equation 3 in equation 1. Then the density of unit cell is equal to the Z into M upon AQ into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, where Z is the number of constituent particle in unit cell, M is the molar mass or molecular mass of the constituent particle, AQ volume of unit cell, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is the Avogadro number. D density equal to Z into M upon AQ into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Z is the number of constituent particle, M is the molar mass or molecular mass of the constituent particle, AQ volume of unit cell, and 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is the Avogadro number. Next, some other form of the density formula. This formula is called the density formula. Some other form of the density formula. First form है density equal to Z into M upon AQ into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Then we can also calculate the molar mass of the constituent particle, or in the question molar mass of the question said to be the calculate the molar mass of the constituent particle. Then the molar mass of constituent particle equal to density into AQ into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon Z. Next we can calculate the edge length AQ. Z upon AQ equal to Z into M upon density into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Then we calculate the cube root of the AQ. We calculate the cube root of the AQ. Then we have the edge length A. Next, nature of unit cell. In the nature of unit cell asked in the question, then we calculate the which type of unit cell are present. For face centered unit cell or body centered unit cell or simple cubic unit cell. Nature of unit cell is for the calculation of nature of unit cell, we calculate the Z, number of constituent particle in the unit cell. Z equal to D into AQ into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon molar mass. If the Z equal to 4, unit cell is the face centered unit cell. If the z equal to 2, unit cell is the body centered unit cell. If the z equal to 1, unit cell is the simple cubic unit cell, where edge length of the unit cell in A is the edge length of unit cell in centimeter, D is the density of unit cell in gram per centimeter cube or kilogram per meter cube, M is the molar mass or molecular mass of the constituent particle, which may be atoms or molecules or ion. Z is the number of Cp in the unit cell. For face Z equal to 4 for the face centered unit cell, Z equal to 2 body centered unit cell, Z equal to 1 simple cubic unit cell. Next topic, relation between the edge length of the unit cell and radius of constituent particle. For face centered unit cell, A equal to 2 root 2 r, put the value of root 2 into 1.414 r equal to 2.828 r, and round off A equal to 2.83 r. So the for face centered unit cell, relation between the edge length and the radius of unit cell is A equal to 2.83 r. For body centered unit cell, A equal to 4 upon root 3 r, 4 upon put the value of root 3 1.732 r, and solving we get the A equal to 2.31 r, where A is the edge length of unit cell and r is the radius of constituent particle. For the calculation involving unit cell dimension, some conversion are required. For the some conversion are required regarding the length of the unit cell, edge length of the unit cell. So we have the 1 picometer equal to 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter or 10 to the power minus 12 meter. 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter or 10 to the power minus 9 meter. 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter or 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. 1 micrometer equal to 1 micron equal to 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter or 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Then we have the one numerical question based on the density formula or calculation involving the unit cell dimension. Silver atom forms the CCP lattice, and X-ray studies of its crystal so that the edge length of its unit cell is 408.6 picometer. Calculate the density of silver. Given molar mass of silver equal to 107.9 gram per mole. ठीक, given that edge length A equal to 400 solution, given that edge length A equal to 408.6 picometer or 408.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter, or A equal to 4.086 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter, and round off A equal to 4.09 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Volume of unit cell AQ equal to 4.09 whole cube into 10 to the power minus 8 whole cube. Then we get the 68.42 into 10 to the power minus 24 centimeter cube. This is the volume of unit cell. For CCP lattice or face centered lattice, we know that the Z equal to 4. Molar mass of the silver atom M equal to 107.9 equal to 108 gram per mole. Then we write the density formula. In all question we must write the formula of the numerical, because the formula have the 1 or 1/2 marks. Density equal to Z into M upon AQ into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Put the value of Z is 4, molar mass is 108, volume 68.42 into 10 to the power minus 24, Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 10 to the power 23 and 10 to the power 24 is cancelled to give the 10 to the power minus 1. Then we have the 4 into 108 upon 6.84 into 6 or 432 upon 41.04. On solving the 432 upon 441.04, we get the 10.52 gram per centimeter cube. On solving the 432 upon 41.04, we get the density equal to 10 to the power 5 10.52 gram per centimeter cube. So the 10.52 is the density of silver crystal. Thank you.